د ځان څخه اخلاقي انسان جوړ کړه. Be a moral man. Be a moral man. د خپل مشرانو قدر کوه. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. وخت مه ضایع کوه. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. موږ خپله چټلي د کور څخه بهر اچوو. We take out trashes out of the home. We take out trashes out of the home. هغه حیاناک هلک ده. He is modesty boy. He is modesty boy. بی حیا کېږه مه. Don't be immodest. Don't be immodest. د نشیات ننی ښیدي. Something is better than nothing. د نشت نه نینې ښیدي. Something is better than nothing. کشکې چې زه لندن کې وای. Wish that I was in London. Wish that I was in London. زما سلام پلار ته کوه. Give my love to your father. Give my love to your father. سخت کوشش کوه کنه د ناکامۍ سره به مخ شې. Try the best to otherwise you will pass the music. Try the best to the otherwise you will face the music. کوشش د کامیابی کلي ده. Struggle is the key of success. Struggle is the key of success. دوی زموږ نږدې خپلوان دي. They are our close relatives. They are our close relatives. دوی زموږ لرې خپلوان دي. They are our distant relatives. They are our distant relatives. زه به له تا سره وم. I will be with you. I will be with you. وسوسې مه کوه. Don't feel obsessed. Don't feel obsessed. خدای دې ښه در سره وکړي. خدای دې ښه در سره وکړي. God do well with you. God do well with you. زه به سبا تا جواب درکړم. I will get back to you tomorrow. I will get back to you tomorrow. زه به په دې سوچ وکړم. I have to sleep on it. I have to sleep on it. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. خدای پامان.